Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and this is part 2, and part 1 was a long time ago, so the dates will be very different on the title. And this was something I didn't like for the longest time. I just pulled it out after leaving it sit for a while, and I like it a lot better. But I still want to put some changes in here that are going to be including adding some gold and maybe some copper to places that I think would benefit from being highlighted. It's a lot like embellishing with a pen, only I'm using my squeeze bottles. And I will continue to find other things, like I have some iridescent pearl fine from Golden, and if I can incorporate some of that into here, I probably will. So that's my idea. That's my whole idea, is to just use my squeeze bottles. And I might have some more ideas of color I want. I might put some green gold in there because that's reminding way more of an organic plant shape than it is of anything else. And I'm not sure that this Decor Americana emerald green wouldn't be a good suggestion. But of course it's not open. And I wasn't really thinking about this before I started it. I just figured I could use the colors I had handy. Come on out. So if I want a tiny end on that, I'm just going to have to lift my bottle up as I get close to the end, and I kind of do like that. It's going to be different. Let's hope my other bottle is open, and it is. Yes! A vine. And I can pull little leaves or tendrils out of there, and I think I might wind up doing that. Just dragging it right out my skewer. Super simple. But once you do it, at least I suppose I was going to say once you do it you're done and you're stuck with it, but really you're not, because it's a dry canvas. I could wipe that up, or I could use it, and I think I'm going to use it. I like combining the two colors together. That's pretty cool. I think I'm going to do that again. As long as I can get it to come out. Come on out. Out you come. It's really not. Darn. Okay, well, I've got tweezers for that. I'm trying to figure out what other color I want in there, and I'm being called purple and turquoise, but when am I not being called to purple and turquoise, honestly? It's pretty much a gimme with me. I wanted to put some of that right in here. Because I can. And this will give me a way to play the first one, which I felt was really dark at the time. I'm going to have to turn that around for you guys. So I'm just going to embellish as best I can without freaking out too badly, but thinking about it a lot in advance. I think I need some more on this side if I'm going to do that. I'm going for the other color, whatever's open. Yes, that's better. And a little waggling. I keep thinking pink because I love pink. Not all pinks. I don't care much for pale pink, but I definitely like other pinks. Gone from a heart to a flower. That was an accident, but that's okay. Let's put a little bit of this other pink in there too and see what happens. I think there's some blue in my future, some Venetian blue from Modern Masters. Because the canvas is dry, it won't sink in. So let's see if I can find that. That's over here. I want to put it someplace other than where I was thinking. Yeah, I need to draw the eye back down here. And up again. It's a weird piece of art, but it's kind of cool. I will show you and continue from this side if I can. I'm thinking all that copper needs some friends, or needs a friend in the form of some highlights. The Floetrol will flatten out the paint, but not as well as if I use my skewer. Okay, I have a profusion of bottles. And I guess I need to see this again. I'm pretty sure somebody's going to like it. It might take me a minute. I'm not done playing with it. I could probably just swipe over it with some Floetrol, and that'd be interesting. Not so sure about that orange. Just blend it right in with that copper. I'm thinking a little bit of white pearl to add some highlights. That's not it. That's it. Yep, maybe dots are the ticket. That comes out way too fast. but I'm liking the effect that I'm getting. I want some red, and I'm not sure it's a good idea, but I'm going to do it anyway. And I don't know why I like that, but I do. I think even a little more might be okay. Maybe because there is a little bit in there already. There, it's a little busier, but it's also kind of cool. I want something up here still. It's not as much fun trying to fix things as it is making them the first time. But then when you succeed, it's a whole different ballgame. See, sometimes I stop short of the paint because I want to just trail it off. I'm okay with those dots, but I want them to be a different color. And now's the time. I don't think I'm going to get away with that unless I use my skewer. And even then I may not get away with it completely, but I'm happier by far than I was when I started. So there's over 91,000 of you guys subscribed. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting if you've been doing that. If you're interested in joining into the monthly drawing, there are paintings and possibly, depending on the month, books up for grabs. And you can see what those prizes are on the exhibition video that's included on the end screens of all videos. As long as I'm still here, I'm going to keep trying to do that. So that's a lot cooler in my opinion, I have to say. I want to say thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for all the wonderful comments and the compliments. Really appreciate your donations that have helped keep me painting all this time. If you can help me out by giving me a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. It's a big help if you watch the videos longer, and if you share them, even more so. I like that orange up there. And down there. I'm officially finally having more fun. Officially. And I love you guys, and I'm really, really happy that I did this because it's phenomenal now. And it took me a minute, and so don't scrap your don't know what to do with this stages yet. Just give it a little while. In this case, it could be a month or more. And I'm going to show this to you as soon as I get my bottles out of the way. I'm going to call it good. So part 2 is nothing more than embellishment, and the Floetrol will flatten all that out. Thank you for the wonderful comments. I think I said that. My Amazon link is below the link tree, which is right under the video, and if you shop there, it's not only at no added cost to you, it helps me out. My 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2, and a whole lot of other cool stuff, including my OXO omelet turning spatula, which is called a flip and fold, best paint spreading tool around, bar none. And what else? I have Teespring clothing below the video, and I should torch this just in case. And there's Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts there, but even better than that, it means that you can ask me to place something there that you like. and I can try and do it. It doesn't always work at Teespring. Pretty much always works at Fine Art America, and you can find Fine Art America underneath the link tree along with pixels.com, and a link to both Fine Art America and pixels.com on my Facebook page, which is on the link tree, which is called Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More. Just find the shop now, and it'll take you to about 1,400 different products. Under the link tree also Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. I post my new work on Pinterest quite frequently. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is where you can find albums with the edited artworks that I've edited so far. My community board on my YouTube channel will show you tomorrow's video most of the time. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans, Appreciation Group is for students, and I often post tomorrow's video there as well. Please ask me questions if you want to, and know that my paint pouring recipe is below the video. We torched to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Did I do a good job? Probably not. I was too busy thinking about what's going on here. So I'm much happier with this. It was a big almost. It wasn't a stage one I was super pleased with, but I'm much happier now, and I don't think there's any reason to zoom in, but since I'm here and you're here and I can, I probably should. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's way major improvement. Love all those colors I added. And they'll look a lot different tomorrow. Not as puffy. That's for sure. Funky alien flower. Alright, I love you guys. I want you to take care of yourselves and take care of each other. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Checking my board over there to see if I forgot anything. Oh, I have 1,700 videos. 17 lists of 100 going on 1,800. And also, they're organized by genre and topic. And if you need a link for anything, please just feel free to ask me. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I should turn that sideways, because some of you guys have tablets, and then you'll get a better picture. There we go. Although the last 20 seconds usually uses up. There we go. I'd have to wait. Hey, it's not bad from that angle either. I love you guys. Take care of each other. I said all that. Bye for now. I'll see you anon. Priscilla out.